Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video here on XRP, which was obviously necessary after yesterday we regained momentum again. All right, and that was the main thing we were waiting for. XRP itself had lost a lot of its momentum, had lost a lot of its volume. In this range right here we had since Saturday last week up until yesterday when we got the news that Gary Gensler is leaving the SEC, all right, per January the 20th, I believe. And just in general, and that was also when we're talking about XRP fundamentally here, when we're talking about Ripple fundamentally, the whole rally we've had over the last week was already because of, you know, speculation on the SEC and just in general the crypto stance for the US changing. And it looks to be confirmed right now, which is obviously bullish for XRP. That caused us to get up to that level at 1.35, which was our main target for the last week and a half or so to actually get to. But what I said in the last videos as well is that we can only get there if we actually see some decent volume coming in, right? And we got that. Volume right now is at 17 billion. It is still, and I don't think this is worrying too much. It's still a little bit lower, as you can see, than it was with that first push we had, when the volume got above $24 billion. But that also means that there's still some room left for growth. Volume at the moment is still increasing as well, so that's bullish. But what I would say is most bullish for XRP right now is the fundamentals, in combination with this huge breakout we had. All right, because if you, and I've done this enough in the last couple of videos, so I'm not going to do this right now. But if you zoom out, like one of the most crucial resistance levels in my eyes is 1.35 and 1.25. All right, and now on the daily time frame, or at least daily time frame hasn't closed yet, but on the 12-hour time frame here, we're going to be closing above that level. That's a huge bullish breakout. So then when you get a breakout like that, you have to ask yourself, well, could this turn into a fake out? And the answer is obviously yes. That's always a possibility, but under the current circumstances where, first of all, the market still looks fine. Bitcoin is pulling back a bit here. That's true, but XRP is still pushing for those highs. XRP is still holding its own. And Bitcoin itself is also still bullish, right? I mean, I'm calling this a pullback because it is, but it's a very mild pullback and we're holding levels very well. So the market is bullish, the fundamentals are bullish, which allows for a repricing of XRP, even though $80 billion in the market cap, quite high. But fundamentals are bullish, technicals are bullish, especially also if you consider the breakout with the volume and the momentum we have right now. So then what we're looking at is the next target right here, which is 1.5. That's a conservative target. I think the real target is more around 1.6, right? And I'll show you real quick where that is. This is an old arrow, I believe. But no, 1.6, as you can see, we have this massive level right here. 1.5 is respected sometimes, as you can see, but it's rare. It's by far not as respected as 1.6 and 1.65. So I think we're going for that level. All right, and to me, it looks much more likely, given the circumstances, that this will be a real breakout, and that, you know, we might actually pull back a bit here, and we might form some sort of a bullish flag, and maybe some sort of a consolidation even. But I do think we're heading up for that target right there over the next over the short term. So that's what I would say is most likely right here. Now, I do think you need to be prepared for for this being a fake out. So don't go all in, of course, where XRP has already rallied a lot, and it might be more interesting to put your money into some opportunities where the risk reward is just bigger, such as optimism, for example. But no, this does look most likely given the circumstances, and hopefully I explained that thoroughly enough. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.